Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about how to store different types of data into the variables in C programming language. We already discussed that whenever we are writing or whenever we are developing one program, the first thing, every program has data, information. That information we are storing into variables. If you want to store information into the variables, of course, data types are required. Different types of data types are there, but mainly the type of data, what kind of data storing into what type of variables, I'll explain. So normally, I just want to store like account details. One account holder information I just want to store. Account holders information. How can we store as well as how can we display also, I'll explain. We already discussed that program execution starts from the main function. Here main is a function. Program execution automatically starts from the main, and the return type of main is integer, so we need to return some value, integer value. First of all, how can we declare? I just want to store account holders information, account number I want to store, a simple value, account number, integer, account number equals to 1001. It's an integer value we are storing into int. In the last video I explained clearly what are the data types, right, and how can we store the values into different types of data types, different types of variables, integer. Next one, I just want to store account holder name. Name is a string. We already know string is nothing but either character array or character pointer. Character array, we are declaring like this, character array. How can you represent the string? Using the double quotes. Suppose Amar I am taking. This is integer value, so type is int. Next, this is the string, a collection of characters we are representing using the character array, and it's a variable name. Next one, a float value. For example, account holder balance I am taking. Balance is a float type. Balance. Here, suppose 3500, decimal value some 50 paisa is there. Next, for example, I want to store gender, male or female. Here I am taking that gender is a gender, male or female. For example, male, single character we are representing with the character data type. This is how we are storing the information of account holders into types of variables. After storing the data, we need to display that information. How can we display? We know already. Using the printf function, you can display any information on console. Printf function belongs to stdio header file. Hash include stdio.h header file. Now we are using printf function. Here, if I want to display this number, it's an integer. Here you must use format specifiers. We already discussed what are the format specifiers. %d is to display so that integer value, number, like this we need to display. Next one is a printf. If you want to display that name, %s, that name we are displaying. String we are representing with a %s. Next, suppose if you want to display that balance, printf %f, it's a float type, that balance we are printing, balance. Next one is a gender printf. Percentage C is to print single character, and here we are printing that gender. How can we declare different types of variables to store different types of data? Integer is int variable. We can display, represent with the format specifier is %d. If you want to store a string, a collection of characters, string we are representing with character array, how can you display? Using the format specifier is %s. Next one is a float type, decimal value. We are representing with the float type. Here it is %f is a format specifier. Single character, gender, just male representation. You must put it in single quotes. It's a character type. It's a character array. It's a character type. How can you represent? Using the format specifier called %c. This is the simple way of storing different types of data and displaying the same type of data in C programming language. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.